Wow, so beautiful, different colors. Wow, so beautiful. Everybody is watching all of. This is Thailand. I'm so happy to be here. Wow, so beautiful. While waiting for our cruise ship dinner, we are taking, yeah, beautiful, wow, so beautiful, wow, it's so beautiful, yeah. Everybody are running away because the wind is very strong. I have to take my
Napulang lang kaya ito.
Lots of beautiful different colors. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. So many people are here. So many people are here. Now, here behind us is the cruise ship where we are going to ride in few minutes time. There you go. This is Thailand. It's beautiful.
Ay, nga ba naman?
There are so many people. We are on queue. We are on queue. Yes, we are on queue. I have to take my face. I have to get video of my face. Now we are walking towards. We are on queue. We are on queue. Family. One family. Close up. One family.
Asa yung
Yan na muna ay manangon. Oh, yung mo.